High above the mud, the monkeys of the moon keep pace with the falling tide. They're after something tasty to eat, but it will be hours before they reach their goal. So for now, the monkeys chew on dry mangrove leaves. The most striking thing about an adult male is his spectacular schnoz. Nothing to do with nutrition, but a lot to do with attracting a mate. Females prefer nasally well-endowed males. We have no idea why. His nose isn't his only enlarged feature. He also has a huge belly. Proboscis monkeys have a chambered stomach to help them break down the unpalatable fibrous leaves. Some of these mangrove leaves are not very tasty. They are full of salt water that would kill other plants. But mangroves have evolved ways of surviving the salt attack. The Aegisaurus has leaves that excrete the noxious salt. Another kind of mangrove stores the salt in its old yellow leaves. It then discards the leaves, ridding itself of the toxic salt.